How's it going, guys? Happy Memorial Day. In this video I wanted to take a look at my Bad Horsie II pedal that I've been using for a while, for probably around 11 years. And about 2 years ago it just stopped working, meaning that if it's not engaged, there would be your normal guitar sound. When engaged, there would be silence. So it was kind of useless. So I went and bought another pedal, the same kind, not the Bad Horsie II, Bad Horsie I without all the contouring, which I never use anyway. And I put this pedal away. And today when I decided to make this video, I decided to run it on a battery. And lo and behold, it started working again. So my suspicion is that there's something inside, some kind of dust or something. So I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's inside. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. It's probably a lot of cat fur. That's my suspicion. Okay, so we have the back off. And let me explain to you how this thing works. It's a really clever design, actually. So rather than using pots to control the contouring of your sound, there are two lights here and photo elements on either side. So there's this piece of cardboard with two openings. See? And when you rock the pedal, what happens is right now nothing is plugged in. Even though the battery is in, it's not going to work. And it's wired like so. As soon as you plug in the lead cable, pay attention to this light. Let's see if you can see it up close. See, it lights up. I unplug it, it's no longer lit. So the way this works is that this opening is to control whether the pedal is engaged or not. When you press on the pedal, the light goes through the opening, so it's no longer blocked by this piece of cardboard, and it's received by this photo element. And as soon as it's turned on, notice this other light also turns on. And then this little opening, this little triangular opening, is actually controlling the amount of treble. See, the light goes through once it's engaged, and then this controls the actual contouring of your sound. So I don't see anything wrong with this. Both lights are on, so I went and just cleaned it with a Q-tip here and on this side. And I just suspect that there was a piece of dust, maybe a piece of cat fur, maybe something else. And now the problem is clearly no longer there. So, you know, that's the risk of doing these videos before kind of knowing what the problem is. Thank you for watching, guys. I had no idea what was going to happen. So, at least we saw how the pedal works. Have a great one.